Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing great. Today I am going to talk about something really exciting. It's called Brizy Cloud. And right now they have a lifetime deal in AppSumo where you can build an unlimited website for just one low price. No monthly payment, no yearly fees, just pay once and use it forever. Before we start, don't forget to check the description below. You will find the latest information and link and deal information there. If the offer changes, I will update it there for you. So what is Brizy Cloud actually? Brizy Cloud is a website builder. It helps you to create website without coding. You just drag and drop things like images, text, buttons, and your website is ready. It's very simple and perfect for beginners or freelancers. You don't need WordPress, hosting, or any other software. Brizy Cloud is all in one. You can create landing pages, business site, portfolio, or even full agency websites. And the best part is you can make as many websites as you want. Why is the deal is special? Because most website builders charge every single month. But with this lifetime deal, you only pay once. That means no more bills every year or every month. You can keep building websites forever for yourself or for your clients. Also, Brizy Cloud gives you fast hosting, free SSL, and you can connect your domain too. So your website look clean and professional. And another thing is it easy to use? Yes. Even if you are a beginner, you can use Brizy. The builder is simple. You click and drag, and your page is ready. They also have nice template. You just pick one and edit it. This is great for designers, marketers, or even business owners who want full control without hiring developers. So should you get Brizy Cloud? If you want to build website fast, easy, and without monthly cost, then yes, this deal is awesome. And if you build websites for clients, this can help you make more money too. But lifetime deals don't last forever. So please check the description below to see if it is still active or not. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like and comment below. I will see you in the next video.